What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, and today I have my other lip for my Corolla, and this is the Levin Kouki lip. So I don't know, I feel like I should have got a Kouki lip, but I'll think to just get the Zenki because it has this nice style right here. It has this dip, and I think it has more character to it, where the Kouki lip is just a straight one. It doesn't have the groove, and it doesn't really look that great. So decide to run this, and I don't know, I think I might have to cut these corners again so that it'll fit, but let me go ahead and try it on first and then see what we have to do to make it fit well. I think for this one it's not gonna fit well regardless of what I do, so I might not even cut the tabs and just mount it lower. So yeah, let's go check it out and then we'll do that. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but just decided to put my lip on because I kind of want to just get something done since my time is so limited now. Figured I'd just get as much as I can done every day. Let me slide this over, but yep, let's check it out. And looks like we're gonna have to mount it really low like this anyways, which looks good. I like it like this, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. As you can see, this lip was not made for it, so it's gonna sit like that regardless of what I do. So it's gonna have that weird gap, but I might still just chop everything off because I think it'll make it easier, and I don't think I'm gonna be using these at all anyway, so I don't know, maybe I'll just cut it off and then just deal with it and then see what we could do. So yeah, let me go ahead and just cut it and then we'll figure it out. Okay, so I've cut it again and can't see on that side. Let me grab this side. And you can see there that I've grounded it down with the belt sander again, and I went really far down this time so that it will fit a lot better and I won't have any fitment issues. This looks like it has the grooves here, or like some little edges, so I just went up to that point to see if that's okay, and then let's go ahead and try on. So I will actually get back to you because I need two hands for this, but let me put it on and then we'll see how it fits. All right, I just got the front lip on and it is very rough. I was only able to zip tie the ends, so it's pretty fragile. It doesn't fit that well, but I expected that already. Like I said, I do like this style more because I feel like it adds character, so I don't really mind like all of the little gaps and stuff like that. Everybody just kind of runs it like this anyways, and so I could heat gun it and make it look a little better, but I think I might leave it like this and then just figure out ways to mount it a little better. And for sure I might have to use like double side tape or something so that it will stick better. But here it is, and you guys ready? So here's the car. Oh man, I don't even know if you guys can see it that well because it's already getting kind of dark, but it looks so good. You can see that the car looks so much lower now, and I didn't even change anything to the height of the car. But here's the lip, and I love that little groove right there. That's what the Zenki has as well. You see the groove right here, so it kind of has the same thing. And the Kouki lip is actually just straight, like I said. It's kind of boring. It does fit perfect on this bumper, but I don't really mind. Here is the gap right here that you see all the time. Some people they'll heat up the lip and kind of mount it better after that. I might go that route too. There's other guys that would just pretty much cut this corner right here or this end tab and then just heat it and then pretty much rivet into the bumper. But I don't really want to do that. It does make it look like it fits better, but I don't really like that style. but you can see there's a big gap right here. Definitely a different body line than the Kouki and Zinky. So here's the lip right now. Man, it looks so good. All I need now is some headlights and bumper lights to finally complete this front end. I'm still waiting for it. Right now I'm just waiting on a bunch of parts like always, and I am waiting for a lot of stuff for my 240 too. I thought I was going to be able to order it and get it in right away, but I talked to the guy. He said it might be another 4 or 5 weeks or so. So just kind of waiting for parts to get here so I can show you guys some good content. But this is what we got so far. One thing that's gonna be hard to find is the Kouki fog lights, which is implemented into the grill of the car, and you can find them on eBay, but they're just so expensive, so I don't know if I want to get them yet. But I am gonna get the grill that comes that is made for the fog lights, so if I ever do find a good deal on the fog lights, I'm gonna get that. But it looks so good. Everything is clean, and like I said, I might just leave it like this until I'm ready to mount it. I have all this stuff in my room that's kind of in the way, and it's sad to leave like all of this money just chilling out here, but it's okay. It's bound to be out here anyway. So the only thing I don't want out here yet is my red line tail lights, and I have some interior bits that I don't want it to be out here because they're like mint condition. But here's the car. Let me know what you guys think so far. I'm hoping to get a welder soon, guys, so once we do that, a lot of stuff will get rolling too. It's gonna be a lot of boring body work, so probably won't show you guys too much of it, but I'll show you guys the progress, and we can actually finally get some progress on my cars. The main goal is to just get them all ready for paint prep too, and you guys know how long that's taking with the coupe, but for mine I might actually take even longer because I want it to be perfect, and I don't want any dents or anything like that. Don't really, not aiming for like super show quality, but I do want it to be like pretty much perfect, and so just gonna be waiting for that. But man, I'm so happy with how this car is turning out. It's exactly how I envisioned this car to be and to look like. Just need my side skirts now, fix up the fenders, just get some real suspension and get the car going. But yep, and I don't know, I have something else for my 242. Maybe we'll put that on right now, and then we'll just go from there. So I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I don't know if I should put it on, but I got this a while back, and it is this right here. So these electric antennas always break. I haven't seen one that worked in a long time. My buddy on his S13, I think his was working for maybe a few months, and his eventually died too. So these are always broken, and I love the manual one, so that's what I got. Let me go get it real quick, and then we'll put that on. Okay, so here's the antenna, and man, it took me so long to find one of these. I've been looking for a long time, and I actually had it for a while now, but I finally found one at the local junkyard here, and yeah, just super excited to finally get one. I think it's gonna make this a lot nicer. It's not much, but hey, there's little things that count, and this is gonna be awesome. So I actually probably listen to the radio now because I never got any reception because this antenna was so broken. But yep, let me go ahead and pop the trunk. We'll remove the old one, and then I'll put this one in. Okay, so to remove the antenna, all you need is like this C-clamp tool right here that removes those C-clamps. Stick it in these two holes, and it should just come off like that, and then you just keep spinning. I think once you get here, yep, you could just do it by hand. that should release this cap, and then you're good to go. So once you leave it like this, you can remove all this, but now you just gotta release these bolts right here. I believe it's that one and this one, and then the whole big old motor thing should come out. There's all these like wires too that I gotta unplug first, like the antenna wire, and then it should just come right out. Alright, so got this one out, and it was only actually one screw, so it wasn't even that bad. Just that one right there at the bottom, and then that's it. This whole big old chunk came out. Comes with this tube, I think, to just drain water from the plug, drain water from the ring, and then this is the difference right here. So here's the other one, big old weight reduction. You don't have this big old motor anymore that never works. But yep, go ahead and replace this one, and then we'll see how it looks like. So it is on now. You can see there, it looks so much better. I mean, it looks the same, but it's gonna look better. And yep, just that one screw right there, and that's it. Close this up. Gonna put this antenna on, and then we'll see how it looks like. Now I could get like an aftermarket antenna too, like something smaller. I actually don't mind these big ones though. Kind of like this ugly like OEM style antennas. But let me close the trunk. And man, this car needs a wash, but there it is, waving around in the wind. So I'm actually gonna have to take it off though, because I won't be able to put the cover on with the antenna on. You can see how big it is. So yeah, but man, it looks so much better. You can probably see it better this way. But yep, I love these manual antennas. So much better, no hassle, and they just work. So yeah, let me go ahead and take it off again, and then we'll put it off. But yeah, I haven't had time to put tires on these wheels yet. I do have my tires over there. Like I said, they're just like the low-end Falcon, the Otsus. They're just like some knockoff brand that Falcon makes to sell for cheap, and I'm just running those because I don't know how much I'll drive this car, and it's not going to be like a track car or anything, so I don't need like R888s or anything like super nice for the track. They're just going to be street tires, and all I needed is just to drive around. So hopefully maybe this weekend. I'm not really sure. I do want to put them on soon, just so that I can actually maybe drive the car around when I do want to. I don't like having it just sit here. I do like to drive it around so that I could just still work nicely. Don't want it to sit here for too long. But man, I'm loving these wheels. I think I need a little bit of spacer on the back, and then the fronts look really good, so we could check that out again. But they might need a little bit too, but that's it. And I'm actually digging these Nissan stickers on these OEM caps. He actually did a pretty good job on them, and they look pretty good. But yeah, hopefully I could put some tires on soon, and I do want to put these on to my 86 hatch, so maybe I'll do that this weekend too, just to put them on. These tires are still nice, but I mean, they're not really good anymore, so I don't really care if they kind of sit there, but it's gonna be sick on the hatch. My dream wheels are real watts for the hatch, and hopefully I'll get those in the future. These aren't like my dream wheels for this car or anything, and I'm hoping to maybe get some like hot boy wheels. I'm not really sure yet. I can't really choose. For some reason, the S14 is very hard for me to decide on wheels, and I don't know. I like Workmeisters, but sometimes I don't. And then I like the CR Kais, like the really deep ones. Those look good too. Or I don't know. Blitz, or I'm not gonna pay for Blitz right now. Blitz are crazy amounts. It's like 8,000 for a set now, because I guess nobody makes it, and I don't know, this other company I think is making replicas. Maybe I'll get those just to kind of run it and see how they work. But yep, so that's actually gonna be it for today. It's probably not gonna be that long or that entertaining of a vlog, but hope you guys liked it. Still trying to get some stuff done. Like I said, I'm waiting, and hopefully this weekend I'll get some stuff done, like get the tires on to this, and then maybe take my S14 for a drive up the mountains or something. But yeah, super excited about this, just doing little things like this. And like I said, hopefully my S14 parts come in soon. It's gonna really make the car look so much better. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later. Peace.